Hello everyone. Now we'll be doing the letter writing. So it is an important part of the writing skills section. So firstly, we need to understand that there are two sorts of letters. First is the formal letter and next is an informal letter. What is the difference? Formal letters are basically written to your bosses or some company where you might want to ask about some product they have or some trip they are launching, or to maybe the editor of a newspaper to whom you want to raise an issue. Next, we have informal letters. They're basically written to people you know, who are close to you. Okay. So first let us discuss what are the important features of these letters. Formal letter. First, use formal but not highly technical language, because see, when you're writing about a product, the letter is going to go to the human resources or the complaints office and not directly to the engineers there. So you have to make sure that you do not write very technical language, rather just use formal language. Next, present the objective in a clear and concise manner. Do not elaborate your issue very much. Present it in a very concise manner, make it in brief and make sure that your point is being well read. Next is remain professional, do not be vague. Again, do not go haywire with your subject, do not go over the top, remain in your limits and stay polite. Even though if you are angry, maybe you want to write a complaint letter and you are very angry about what product you have got, stay calm, stay polite and then write it. Next, know to whom you are writing, know whom you are addressing. Suppose if you are addressing the editor of a newspaper, you have to write it with a lot of respect, while at the same time you have to make sure that the issue you are trying to convey reaches to him and you are able to put that in your writing. Next, we have informal letters. They are less formal than the formal letters, since you are not writing to some person of a position, you are just writing to a relative or maybe your sister or somebody. So they are less formal. Next, the first paragraph should basically explain what you are writing them to for. For example, if you are writing for a wedding, make sure that you put that in the first stanza itself. Also, tell how you have been. Since you are writing a letter, so it is good if the other person knows, okay, where you are, how you have been, what you have been doing. So that is a nice way to start the letter, especially an informal one. Again, in the body you would elaborate why you have written the letter. Suppose it's your wedding, then you will give the details of the wedding, the venue, the date, etc. And you will write if you have any special requests from them or if you want them to arrive early or whatever the details are of the wedding. In the last stanza, you will wish the receiver well. You know, because they are close to you, you want to wish them well and you hope to see them soon. So write all of that in there and just encase it into a very beautiful last paragraph.